Hello, my name is Andy and I am the Village Idiot, and I'm here in my bedroom to make the second part to the first parish in Doncaster. Now, the first thing to address in this one is my pronunciation of Cadeby. A couple of people have said that it's not pronounced Cadeby, it's actually Cadeby. So that's the first thing right off the bat. I will refer to it as Cadeby now. Obviously I thought it was Cadeby. I do apologise for that. I got quite a bit of information about this one. First of all, in the video I highlight a yellow bike on a wall. I actually know what that yellow bike was for. It was kind of a test when I put in the video to see if anybody else out there knew what it was for. If you don't know, the yellow bike was from the Tour de Yorkshire, which is effectively like Yorkshire's version of the Tour de France. So that's what the yellow bike was for. Moving on, Cadeby Quarry. I thought it was non-operational. Apparently it is. It's still very much working. Now, I have to thank Andrew Hay for this one. Cadeby Quarry, according to him, he says it's still producing stone for the restoration of the Palace of Westminster, and it can be found in the Aspreys, the Royal Jewellers in London and New York. There you go. It's still making stone, and it's still obviously supplying some very important places around the country. He also says the church was designed by the famous architect Sir George Gilbert Scott. He was responsible for some of the local buildings. He's put a link in his comment, which I'll put in the description at the bottom, so you can have a look at what he says about that. And he also says something about the Cadeby Hoard, which looks to me like an architectural find. He doesn't actually say what it is, but there is a link again, so in the description, and it will show you what the Cadeby Hoard is all about. Cadeby also had a pit as well, a colliery. Didn't know that. The pub and restaurant that I show, I got a lovely little story. This is from Jane Thompson, who says, "Love the village. My mother worked for two farmers, Bernard and Wilf Braithwaite, on the farm. The pub that you show was Bernard's house, and my mother used to clean for Mrs. Braithwaite." She says, "Thanks for the memories," and ends the story by saying that her granddad lost his leg in a mining accident in Cadeby Pit. The headstones, all those that were close together, those are apparently for cremations. Didn't know that. That's something now that when I go around a cemetery, graveyard, etc., and I see them all close together like that, they're all for cremation. They're cremation graves. Something I didn't know. So thank you very much for that information. And that's just about it for Cadeby. I'm a little surprised that nobody mentioned anything more about Conisbrough Viaduct and the railway line that used to go over it. But that's just how it is. Sometimes people do, sometimes people don't. So if anyone does have any more information about the railway that used to run across the viaduct, that'd be fantastic. I can put that in another video. I am planning, of course, to do every parish in Doncaster, so any more information that anyone has about Cadeby, I'd be happy to receive it. I'm planning to do Farnborough and Harlington soon, and Sprotborough and Cusworth as well. High Melton, Hickleton, Mar, all the ones that are around it. So if anyone has any more information about this village, or even about some of them, if you want to give me a heads up on something on those before I go to them, that'd be great. I can put that in the video as well. So yeah, fantastic. Any information, send it my way. But for now, I've been the Village Idiot, and I'm out.